In this video, we're going to be replacing the sway bar link in this 2008 Acura MDX. All right, we're going to take our wheel off and use a 22mm socket. I'm going to use a pair of locking pliers on the back here. I'm going to use an impact 17mm on the front. See if we can get that to break free. And we'll do the same on the bottom. All right, so onto the bottom, we're going to use our locking pliers on the back side again. And a 17mm socket on the other side. Okay. All right, so we're going to install our new link. We're going to start with the top mount. So you can see on the back, there's a nut here. So we're going to thread on our new bolt. It's a nylon locking nut. And the wrench we're going to use on the back side is going to be an 18mm. We're going to put that in place first. And snug these up. All right, now we'll move on to the bottom. All right, now for the bottom, we can install like so. We're going to back it up again with an 18mm wrench. We're going to put that new nylon lock nut on and snug these up. All right. Now we'll torque these down to 58 foot-pounds. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. All right, so we're just going to not torque these, but just tighten them up, and we'll come back and torque them. All right, so now we can torque down our lug nuts. We're going to tighten them down to 94 foot-pounds. Again, we're going to use a 22mm socket for that. We're going to do them in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.